Hey guys, welcome back to my new another video. So today we are going to draw hyper-realistic sketch of Jaina Ortega from Wednesday Addams series, and this is the reference picture which I have selected to draw today. And in this tutorial I am going to draw outline of the sketch by using grid line method. I'll tell you each and every step so you guys are also able to draw it very easily. So first we have to make a grids on reference pic. So this is the grids which I made by using grid line apps. So you guys are also make that grids according to your drawing skills and make sure that the number of grids are larger, the accuracy of the drawing is better. I am going to draw grids on paper. I have selected A3 size drawing sheet for now. So the grids are completed and I draw the same number of grids as in reference picture on the paper. So I have drawn each square 2 cm each, and there are 20 boxes horizontally, means in row there are 20 boxes, and vertically also 2 cm each box, and I have drawn 14 boxes vertically. Each box are 2 cm. And now we are going to draw from the eyes. So we have to just count the boxes like 4th row and 7th column like that, and same on the paper you have to count the same, the 4th row and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here is the eye we have to draw, and for the better accuracy you need to just zoom in the reference pic as same as your grid, so you can able to draw very accurately. And when you are going to draw by grid line method, you just need to focus on one block at a time. You just need to see the which line is going from where and which proportion, and you need to draw according to that so you can achieve the better results. So now I am going to draw each and every square by seeing the reference picture and drawing same on the paper. Just see how I draw each and every square. Like that, by using that grid line method we are going to achieve the final result very good. So that's it in the video. We are nearly going to complete that outline, and in next tutorial I am going to tell you how to color these eyes by using the pencils. So stay tuned, keep watching.